My name is Athira from Aavishkar Architects, Cochin. Today I would be discussing our project Shivamadhavam, which is across a plot area of 7,400 square feet, located right here in Trivandrum, Kerala. Shivamadhavam is a 5,500 square feet tailor-made house designed in a contemporary manner with an ethnic soul. The brief from the client was to build a modern yet customized home incorporating his spirituality and Vastu requirements. Located in a residential area, the plot had many existing trees and plants. The layout was developed in such a way that the vegetation in the front yard remained undisturbed. This vegetation, especially two huge mango trees on the two sides of the house, add special charm to the building. The facade is a combination of straight line forms topped with stone cladding and wooden finish detailing. The cantilever car porch makes the exterior more minimal. Another parallel slab on the first floor defines the first floor balcony. Nested in a linear plot, the building program is spread across two floors, consisting of a formal living, prayer room, an informal living, dining, kitchen, and two bedrooms in the ground floor, a study area, a home theatre cum bar, three other bedrooms in the first floor. Entrance is defined by a linear wooden walkway, which acts as the spine of the layout. Other spaces are functionally sound on the sides of this corridor. One is welcomed by an elegant guest living room, which is highlighted with blue textured wall, red accent chair and customized wall decor. As proceeds along, the corridor turns into a spacious family area, which is the heart of the house. This space has been strategically designed with rightly placed and sized windows that allows maximum natural light and ventilation. Inspired by traditional Kerala architecture, the double-height wall in the informal living area is highlighted with laterite stones. This brings in a sense of warmth and nostalgia. The patio adjacent to the dining accommodates a small seating and a Krishna idol. The family living, dining and the patio together creates a spacious volume, which is placed in such a way that it gets maximum advantage of the sun path and prevailing wind direction. The staircase which connects to the first floor is a combination of wood, metal and concrete. This also stands as a piece of art. On the side of the first flight of the stairs, a TV wall has been created by a simple act of extending the stair handrail to the floor level. Stair leads to an upper living which houses study space for the kids. The bar cum home theatre in the first floor is defined by a carefully designed wooden detailing on the wall and ceiling. This is complemented by brass bottle racks and black suspended metal lights. Each bedroom in the house resonates the personality of its user. Custom designed traditional Kasav themed bedding set in the master bedroom is an unique piece. Together with the wall art and the hanging light, it adds traditional touch to the room. The artworks and decor in the interior reflects the spirituality of the client. Every element in the house, including the furniture, light fitting and decor, are custom designed. There is a clear contrast between the interior and the exterior. A minimal exterior is expressed by the use of stone claddings and wooden detailing, while the interior manifests a fusion of contemporary and traditional elements.